Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have cloudy skies out there this morning with abundant low cloudiness and also some patchy drizzle and some patchy fog out there as well. It's going to be remaining cloudy today with the patchy fog and patchy drizzle across the region this morning into the early afternoon hours, and we'll see a warm front move through the region for the evening into the overnight hours that will allow us to see some warmer temperatures and a warming trend for the weekend. Looking at our conditions across the Mid-Atlantic region the last 24 hours, quite a difference in temperatures as the way as highs went yesterday. Only saw 56 here at Wallops, and most of the region north of the Delmarva Peninsula saw temperatures only in the highs in the 50s yesterday. Seeing those areas south of the Delmarva Peninsula in the Tidewater, seeing temperatures in the upper 70s, Norfolk at 79 degrees yesterday, as they did have that boundary north of their region, allowing them to see much warmer than normal temperatures across the area. Overnight last night, we did see temperatures drop back into the 40s. Was quite cool compared to what we've been dealing with the last few days. Stepped outside this morning and felt that northeasterly breeze with the drizzle as well as those cooler temperatures. It was quite a change from what we've been dealing with. 39 degrees at Baltimore and Dover last night with the cool spots here at Wallops. We were 44. As I've mentioned, we've seen that light rainfall or drizzle across the region. Not seeing a lot of precipitation last 24 hours, but all locations reporting some precipitation. Baltimore and Dover at 1100, those were the highest amounts of precipitation recorded. Other locations seeing just a trace, and Wallops was one of those locations. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from cloudy skies to light rain. Temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. Here at Wallops, we are 47 degrees under cloudy skies as of 9 a.m. Looking at our sounding this morning, so 12Z, we had a freezing level at 9,900 feet. Our winds are northeasterly in the low levels, and then quickly switch out of the west-southwesterly, allowing that marine layer and inversion in the atmosphere, giving us those low clouds in the region. Seeing our winds peaking this morning at 20,000 feet at 43 knots out of the west-southwest. Looking at our radar from this morning, we have some showers and some heavier showers across New Jersey this morning, continuing to move off to the north and east. Not really picking up on that drizzle that is very low in the atmosphere. Radar beam is above that this morning. But we will be dealing with this drizzle and patchy fog throughout the morning hours. Looking at our near-infrared vegetation band this morning, seeing abundant low cloudiness across the northern Mid-Atlantic region. You can actually see this frontal boundary starting to move north on the imagery here. I will go back a little bit and you can see it moving north through North Carolina and then up towards the Virginia-North Carolina border this morning. And that's going to continue slowly move towards our region, and finally by this evening we could see a few breaks in the cloud cover. For our Friday PM planner, we'll have that warm front starting to move north of the region. It's going to allow us to have our winds turn to the south, giving us some more mild air into the region. Seeing temperatures rise during the overnight time period. Here's our Friday night planner. We're going to have abundant low cloudiness and fog once again tonight. The fog looks like it could be dense at times during the overnight time period, as we'll have that front moving through. And then for our Saturday AM planner, we'll have some lingering low cloudiness and fog during the morning. Cannot rule out some patchy drizzle with that front still lingering across our region. But by the afternoon hours, we'll see that front north of the region, and we'll have fairly nice conditions. This prog chart brings that front back down during the evening hours, which could possibly occur with a upper level disturbance moving north of the region. Could push that front just a bit south, and we'll also be seeing a chance of some showers during our Saturday evening. Looking towards our Sunday, Sunday is going to be a very warm day for this time of year, looking at record high temperatures expected. Temperatures will be in the mid-70s for our Sunday afternoon before this cold front, as it off the coast by our Sunday evening, moves through the region, giving us a chance of some rain showers during the late afternoon and evening hours on Sunday. Looks like we'll have 2 chances of rain on Sunday during the morning and during the evening, and we'll have an additional area of low pressure seen on this map across the deep south. It's going to be moving towards our region on Monday, and that'll giving us a pretty good chance of some rainfall on Monday. In our risk chart for today, we have some chances of rainfall with light rain and drizzle this morning into the early afternoon hours. High temperature day of 54 degrees. Temperatures falling just slightly this evening to 48, and we'll see temperatures rising overnight into the lower to mid 50s and 55 degrees by Saturday 8 a.m. We'll have those ceilings below 500 feet with visibility reduced as well this morning into the early afternoon. Then we'll see a break in those very low ceilings, still seeing ceilings around 1,000 feet during the late afternoon evening hours. And then we move into the overnight time period, looking like we're going to have a good chance of some fog, and some of that fog could be dense at times during the overnight time period. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have an overcast deck at 400 feet, 3-mile statute visibility with some mist and drizzle out there. Looking at the afternoon hours, much the same, overcast skies at 500 feet, unrestricted visibilities though at 1,600 local, so that drizzle will be less likely during that time period. Still could have some chances until about 6 o'clock this evening. And moving into the overnight time period, looking at 2,300 local, we're going to have scatter deck at 1,000 feet, scatter deck at 2,000 feet, some lower visibilities with some mist at 5-mile statute visibility, and then we'll have a likely scenario with the fog moving into the area with that warm front moving through of a 1/2-mile visibility. And then by Saturday morning, continuing with that fog, but we will be coming mostly cloudy to cloudy skies with only partially reduced visibilities at 5 statute miles. Tides are currently normal. Looking at Saturday and Sunday for the weekend, Saturday is going to be having fog and low cloudiness lingering in the morning, then partly cloudy and unseasonably warm during the afternoon. Chance of rain showers by the evening with that upper level disturbance moving north of the region on Saturday evening. Have a high of 69 degrees, so yellow for precipitation, and an orange with that lingering low cloudiness and fog during the morning. For Saturday night, we'll have cloudy skies, a slight chance of rain showers and patchy fog. Unseasonably mild for an overnight low of 54 degrees. That's about 20 degrees above normal. And for Sunday, looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and unseasonably warm temperatures once again. The chance of rain showers in the morning and evening. A very slight chance of an evening thunderstorm. Looking at that chance of thunderstorm, probably about 10%. We'll have a yellow for precipitation and a orange for our winds, as we'll have a tighter pressure gradient in front of that front. And possibly could see those winds above 25 knots. We'll have a high of 74 degrees, and that will surpass the record of 73 on Sunday. Looking at our next 7 days, we'll have 54 degrees today, fog tonight, low 48, temperatures rising over into the 50s. We'll see a high of 69 on Saturday. Best chance of rain comes during the evening. Cannot rule out some patchy drizzle in the morning on Saturday. And then Sunday looks like a fairly nice day. I mean, 74 degrees for this time of the year will be very nice. We'll have chances of showers during the morning and as well as during the evening with a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Monday looks like a fairly damp and dreary day. We'll have a additional area low pressure riding along the cold front that'll be just south of the region. We'll be in the cold sector. Seeing a high of 53 degrees. That high will most likely be during the morning with temperatures falling into the lower 50s and to the upper 40s during the afternoon hours. And Tuesday and Wednesday, look like nice days. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Mostly sunny skies on Tuesday. Increase of upper level cloudiness on Wednesday. And Thursday we're going to have our next system moving through. Looking like temperatures will rise into the upper 50s to lower 60s with some rainfall, likely possibility of some thunderstorms as we have an area low pressure moving just over the Delmarva Peninsula. Just it depends if that area low pressure moves north or south of our region with the thunderstorm chances. We'll continue to monitor that throughout the next week. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.